Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and in this video, I just wanted to show off some of Lynn's skill. So these two panels are the left and right. They're underneath the cab at the corner at the back, and they were both banged up pretty bad. The one on the right, Lynn already straightened. The one on the left is, as you can see, pretty bent up. So he's a service manager at a Honda store. So he doesn't do body work. He doesn't do metal work during the day, but he just loves this kind of stuff. He loves testing himself and improving his skills. So I sped this up quite a bit, but I just wanted to show he took these two panels that he's the kind of guy who, oh, just throw them away. But I said, man, I think they could be straightened. So he said, well, I'll give it a go. And the work that he does just is amazing. Um, and they still need to have some work done to him when he's done here. But it's just amazing the skill set that he has. And as I said, I sped this up a lot, but in real time, it's still pretty impressive how quickly he got this done. I think the whole video was maybe 9 minutes long, and I sped it up like 6 times just because I didn't want to, you know, it's like watching paint dry, but in real life, it was pretty damn neat. So anyway, I just wanted to post this as a just another example of his skill set. It's amazing. This build has taken on so much more than we originally planned, and we both have had enough of the build. But he's really digging this kind of stuff and improving his skill set. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. And now it's in real time, just as he finishes up and drops them down there just to show. Thanks again. Check out on the next video.